Timer. We're at McDonald's. We're eating with my brother or my driver. That's my bodyguard. He came today. What you say, my man? No, nothing. We're right here right now in Panikita Lock at McDonald's. We need something right now. We haven't eaten yet. So we just came to the to visit our relatives. So anyway, love and peace, Mr. Kaloy.